I stopped by Home Depot today and I came home with two plants. So I'm trying to get more flowering plants in my back garden for bees. And also, I picked up this papaya and it is called the Red Lady. And this is the Mexican petunia. Well, the lady says it's doing well in her garden. So I'm gonna try it in mine. All right, so I'll be putting these in the ground. Also, I need to plant my sorrel plants, and I've seen someone, I don't remember who it is, on YouTube did this sort of technique for planting, some stuff in ground, and that's what I am trying. All right, so let's get this papaya in the ground. Okay, so there are raindrops, and I'm really trying to get these plants in the ground before the rain. Um, so I got me some black cow. So what I do when I dig the hole, oops, I put black cow in the hole before I put the plants in there. Oh my god, let's just rip it. Okay, beautiful. Now, it is coming, the rain is coming. Now that I have that in the ground, I'm gonna do as a tree, right? And I'll tell you, oh, rain. Okay, nice. Whew, it is raining, but I'm happy this is in the ground. Go ahead. I'm gonna get all wet today. Okay, that's it. Seems like I'm gonna have to run out of this rain. But for these containers that I placed in the ground, I have black cow manure in there, and I don't want to take them out again to show you guys. But what I did, I saw someone, he took the container, cut the bottom. So what they did is cut the bottom of the container off, and then sit the container in the hole, and then plant the plants inside of the container. So that actually helps with the water staying around the roots. And also, I think it will help me because, especially when I come to cut or my son cuts the yard, he doesn't cut down my plants. So that's what I'm hoping for. I gotta run inside. That's the biggest problem. It's like it is so hot, you don't want to be outside, and by the time you think you can get out there, it start raining. Anyways, I think I'm gonna try and plant my stuff in the rain. I don't mind being in the rain.